Think you know your BMW? You probably use it every day, but there are features built in that most owners never discover. These aren't just party tricks. Some make your car safer, others more comfortable, and a few feel like pure magic. Today, we're diving into 5 secret BMW features that can transform your driving experience. I'll show you how to use them, why they matter, and why you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Welcome to FixPro Garage, where we help you get the most out of your car. Ready to unlock your BMW's hidden potential? Let's jump in. First up, the ultimate summer hack. Your BMW key fob can cool your car before you even get in. Just press and hold the unlock button, windows roll down, and on many models the sunroof opens too. Walking up to your car on a hot day, hold the button, and by the time you reach it, the heat is gone. Left a window open? Hold the lock button and everything closes up. No need to get back in. This feature is called comfort opening closing, and you may need to enable it in your iDrive settings. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in daily comfort. Most owners never realize this trick exists, even after years of ownership. Try it out. Stand a few steps from your car, hold the button, and watch the magic. It's a perfect example of BMW's thoughtful engineering. Once you use it, you'll never go back. So, grab your key and give it a try. It's the first secret, and it's a game changer. Simple, clever, and right at your fingertips. Don't let this one go unnoticed. Next, let's talk about safety and style. Follow me home lights. Ever parked in a dark driveway or garage and fumbled for your phone flashlight? BMW's solution. After shutting off the engine, pull the high beam stalk once. Your headlights stay on, lighting your path as you walk away. You can set how long the lights stay on in your iDrive menu, usually under exterior lighting. It's a simple feature that adds security and a touch of luxury. No more stumbling in the dark or tripping over curbs. It's standard on most modern BMWs, and once you use it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Just a quick pull of the stalk, and your car takes care of you, even after you've parked. It's a subtle flex and a real safety boost. Check your settings, set your preferred duration, and let your BMW light the way. Try it tonight. You'll appreciate the difference. Another hidden gem, right at your fingertips. Now, let's tackle the auto start-stop system, the feature everyone loves to hate. If you've ever found yourself frustrated when your BMW's engine shuts off at every stoplight, you're definitely not alone. This system is designed to save fuel, but for many drivers, it interrupts the smooth, premium feel that BMW is known for. Tired of your engine shutting off at every stoplight? There's a fix, and it's easier than you might think. Let's break down your options so you can take back control. The quickest way is to switch to Sport or Sport Plus mode. In these modes, the start-stop system is automatically disabled, so your engine stays running at every stop. This is perfect for city driving, or when you want that instant response from your BMW. Prefer Comfort mode for a smoother ride. Good news. On many newer BMWs, if you manually turn off the start-stop system, the car will remember your preference the next time you start up. No more fumbling for the button every morning. If you have an older model that doesn't remember your setting, don't worry, you can use an app like Bimmer Code and a Bluetooth OBD adapter to code your BMW. This lets you set the start-stop system to remember your last choice so you never have to think about it again. No more pressing the button every drive, just set it and forget it. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily routine. This gives you control over your driving experience, making every trip smoother and more enjoyable. You'll notice the difference right away, especially in stop-and-go traffic. It's a quick tweak that restores that premium BMW feel. Plus, it's completely reversible if you ever want to go back. Don't settle for interruptions at every red light. With this trick, you can enjoy seamless driving just the way BMW intended. Take charge of your car's behavior with this simple trick. Whether you use driving modes or coding, you'll notice the difference immediately. Make your BMW work the way you want. No compromises. That's the power of knowing your car's secrets. Unlock this hidden feature and enjoy every drive, every stop, and every start, just the way you like it. Ever had your hands full and struggled to open the trunk? BMW's kick sensor is your answer. With comfort access, just wave your foot under the rear bumper, no need to touch anything. The trunk pops open automatically, as long as your key fob is nearby. It's perfect for groceries, luggage, or any time your hands aren't free. The motion is simple. A quick kick forward and back, no need to actually kick the car. On many models, you can close the trunk the same way. It's a small feature that makes a big difference in daily life. Not every BMW has it, but if yours does, you'll wonder how you managed without it. It's convenience, redefined. Try it next time you're loaded down. You'll feel like you're living in the future. BMW thought about every detail, even how you load your car. The kick sensor is proof. Effortless, smart, and pure BMW. The last secret is all about being a smarter owner. The hidden vehicle status screen in iDrive. Instead of panicking over warning lights, check this menu for clear, detailed info. Go to My Vehicle or Car, then Vehicle Status. Here you'll find check control for warning messages, real-time tire pressures, and engine oil level, all in one place. No more guessing what a symbol means or when maintenance is due. The system tracks brake pads, oil, and more, letting you plan ahead and avoid surprises. Most modern BMWs don't have a dipstick. This is where you check your oil. Catch issues early, keep your car healthy, and save money on repairs. Make it a habit to check this screen weekly. It's like a health checkup for your car, right at your fingertips. Don't ignore warning lights. Your BMW is telling you exactly what it needs. This feature isn't flashy, but it's invaluable. Stay informed, stay ahead, and enjoy worry-free driving. The vehicle status screen is your secret weapon for smart ownership. Use it, and your BMW will thank you. There you have it. 5 hidden BMW features that can change your daily drive. From cooling your car to lighting your way, these details make BMW ownership special. There are even more secrets waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, explore your car's menus, and unlock its full potential. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to FixPro Garage. Comment below with your favorite feature or what surprised you most. See you in the next video. Drive smart.